98% of people fail at their New Year's resolutions. Here's how you can be a part of 2% who succeed. Most people start the new year filled with motivation, but quickly lose steam by February. Sound familiar, right? The problem isn't your discipline or ambition, it's your approach. So today, I'm giving you a wake-up call and a battle plan to crush your 2025 goals. Whether it's fitness, finance or personal growth, we are not playing games this year. Let's get to work. So the harsh truth. Most people fail because they are addicted to comfort and shortcuts. They want the results without putting in the effort. They will say things like, I want to lose 20 pounds or I want to make $10,000 more this year, but they lack a plan and discipline. Even worse, they rely on motivation, which disappears the moment things get tough. If that sounds like you, it's time to stop lying to yourself and start fixing the problems. Goals without systems are just dreams. If you have been quitting halfway, this is your wake-up call. Step 1. Get ruthlessly clear on your why. Why do you want this goal? Not a weak surface level reason. Dig deeper. If your reason isn't powerful enough to make you uncomfortable, it's not strong enough to keep you committed. For example, don't just say, I want to save money. Instead say, I want to break free from living paycheck to paycheck and build a legacy my family can depend on. When your why hits you in the gut, quitting stops being an option. Step 2. Stop overthinking and start moving. Overthinking is a silent killer. You spend weeks planning and researching but never take action. The truth, your first steps won't be perfect, and that's okay. Progress beats perfection every single time. Set a micro goal today and hit it. Write 500 words, save $10 or do 10 push-ups. Action creates momentum and momentum creates results. Step 3. Build a system you can't escape from. Willpower will fail you. That's why you need systems to make failure almost impossible. Want to get fit? Schedule gym sessions like non-negotiable meetings. Want to save money? Set up an automatic transfers to your saving account. Systems keeps you on track when your motivation runs dry. Step 4. Eliminate distractions like your life depends on. Let's be real. You're not failing because your goals are too hard. You are failing because you're wasting time. Social media, Netflix binges or spending time with people who don't push you to grow are killing your potential. Cut the noise. If it doesn't serve your goals, it doesn't belong to your life. Step 5. Track your progress relentlessly. Stop guessing if you are improving. Track your wins, log your workouts, monitor expenses and check off daily tasks. Data doesn't lie. Seeing progress, no matter how small, builds unstoppable momentum. Forget perfection. Progress is all that matters. Step 6. Plan for the days you want to quit. There will be days you feel like giving up. Plan for them in advance. Write a list of reasons why you started and keep it visible. Create a routine so automatic that you can follow it even when you are exhausted. Pushing through those tough days separates winners from quitters. Step 7. Celebrate wins that matters. Don't celebrate mediocrity. Reward yourself for hitting real milestones that move you closer to the goal. When you do celebrate, make it meaningful. Let those moments remind you of your progress and fuel your hunger for more. Step 8. Stop waiting for motivation. Build discipline. Motivation is fleeting, unreliable, and overrated. Discipline is what gets things done when you don't feel like it. Build discipline by showing up every single day, even when it's hard. Success isn't about feeling motivated, it's about putting in the work. Here's the breakthrough. Your success in 2025 won't come from inspiration or luck. It will come from relentless focus, unshakable discipline, and the systems you put in place. While others make excuses, you'll be grinding in silence and stacking wins. By this time next year, people won't recognize you, and that's the point. 2025 is your year to stop making excuses and start making progress. It's not about how motivated you are, it's about how disciplined you can be. Build systems, cut distractions, commit to relentless action. The world owes you nothing, but if you're willing to fight for it, 2025 will be the year you achieve everything you have dreamed of. Let's get to work. If you are ready to leave excuses behind and dominate 2025, hit subscribe button now and watch this video on the screen. Let's make this your year.